We're gonna make a leek casserole that's fit for a king. You know, often I have a dish and sometimes I wonder, hey, why is this so delicious? And the answer is there's leeks in it. They're the often overlooked middle child of the allium family. Except today, they're not gonna be playing a supporting role against potatoes. It's pretty much always potatoes, isn't it? Today, they're gonna shine.
Life can be a struggle, but a good meal doesn't have to be. We can make creative, nutritious, and inventive dishes that won't break the bank. We'll eat well and save money, because that's what we do. Welcome to Struggle Meals.
They grow in the ground, and if you imagine this down here when it's young, pushing up through the dirt, then you can really understand that these are dirty on the inside, right? Totally. So let me show you how to clean them. Cut this part off right here, and right away, by the way, look at how dirty. We're gonna save these for our stock bucket. They're delicious. So now we're gonna take the white part, and we're just gonna cut these in half the long way. I'm gonna put them in a bowl like this, pour some water over them. I'm just kind of running my finger through the gills here, if you will, right? Just kind of going like that, and you can fold it out the other way. And if you pull these out, look what's left behind. Oh, you dirty leek, you. So let's just take these and cut them into thirds. Pan, fire. I'm gonna come in with some butter. We're gonna have some garlic in this dish to play a supporting role against its big brother, leek. 1, 2, 3. So we're just gonna give this a little smash like this. It kind of breaks the hard skin, and then it makes it really easy to get the skin off. See that? Rolls right out. Garlic and leeks are in the same family, so they support each other pretty well. We're gonna add some fennel into this dish. We're gonna cut it through this way. Sometimes you got a big fat core. The big fat core is like a little bit too dense, so you can just give it a little V cut, and you can just pull that right out. Got our little animal grip. We can take the knife, and we can just start cutting right through. So we've got all the fennel. Here we go, right into our garlic butter. Packet drawer to the rescue. Once again, we got some hot red pepper flakes. Let's hit it with a little bit of salt. So we're gonna add kale. It's healthy, it's green, it's delicious. Let's come in with our leeks now. So we're gonna braise the leeks in cream. It's gonna be great. We need something to cut through that richness, so Dijon and nutmeg to the rescue. Packet of Dijon here. This is gonna cut through the richness of the cream. Nutmeg. It's such a great aroma with heavy cream and butter. We're gonna make a crunchy topping here. Some butter. Totally melting the butter. Here we go. We're gonna add in some breadcrumbs. It's gonna get nice and crispy with the butter. So mix that butter around real good so it starts toasting the breadcrumbs. And now let's grate some Parmesan cheese. We got our cheese, we got our breadcrumb, bringing them all together, putting our breading on top. This is ready to go in the oven, 425 degrees for about 25 minutes. We're looking for those leeks to be super soft. So let's put it in. Oh, smells great. You can see the softness of the leeks already, just visually. So I really think this dish could benefit from a little sprig of parsley on top. This smells amazing. It's $1.35 a serving. Here we go, we've got our leek. Ooh, whoa. It is both creamy and light, spicy and crunchy all at the same time. Why is the leek so underrated? Not just as an allium, but as a central focal ingredient, period. I don't know. But if you make this dish, you'll be asking the same questions, because this is amazing.